Hello everyone. Industrial automation is a wide range of technologies that is utilized to reduce the human intervention in a process. Manufacturing industry has seen pretty advancement over the past few decades due to this development. There are a number of applications where automation technologies are used to make processes more efficient and precise. Here, we are going to look at a simple automated sorting process. Let's look into each component and what it's used for in the setup. There are 3 conveyor belts, this one, and this one, out of which the main conveyor, this one, is fixed to be operated at all times, while other 2 sub-conveyors, this one and this one, will be operated upon the requirement of the process. Each conveyor is operated using 3 different DC motors. Whenever an object is placed on the main conveyor at this point, they will be subjected to move through this sensor arrangement. Here we have 2 inductive sensors, a capacitive sensor and a color sensor. The large inductive sensor can detect all objects made out of metal irrespective of the thickness of the metal sheet. Smaller inductive sensor can only detect objects of thick metal sheets. Capacitive sensor is calibrated in a way that it can distinguish between objects that are filled and others that are empty. Color sensor is connected through an Arduino-based controller in which a separate algorithm produces necessary signals to be provided to the PLC to identify objects of different colors, red and blue. Little away from the sensor arrangement, you can see 2 IR sensors which are placed right below the pneumatic actuators to detect objects that are arrived in front. Similarly, photoelectric sensors produce a signal when an object arrived at the initial point of sub-conveyors. All the above sensors, except for the color sensor, signals are directly interfaced with the controller, which operates at 24 VDC. Pneumatic pistons or actuators are used to push away the object from main conveyor to sub-conveyors if sorting criteria is satisfied by each object. At the end of each conveyor, there is a bucket to collect objects, and the objects that are not sorted to any of the sub-conveyors will be collected at the end of the main conveyor. Actuators are interfaced with the controller through relay modules since they operate at different voltage levels. In this process, PLC of model S7-1200 has been used as the main control unit. There are several inputs from different sensors are fed in the top, and few outputs are taken out in the bottom. To control actuators, as you can see in the setup,